Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the number of bricks required for one room of size 12 feet by 12 feet. So, let's begin. Part 1. Room details. First, let's understand the room details used in this calculation. The internal room size, length equals 12 feet, width equals 12 feet, the wall height equals 10 feet, the wall thickness is 9 inches. Part 2. Now let's calculate the wall area. The first step is to calculate the perimeter of the room. The formula is perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. Substituting the values 2 times 12 plus 12, which gives us 48 feet. Next, calculate the gross wall area. The formula is gross wall area equals perimeter times wall height. So, 48 times 10 equals 480 square feet. This is the total wall area before deducting the openings. Part 3. Now let's calculate net wall area. So, first, calculate the door opening. Number of door equals 1. Number of door. Door size is 3 feet by 7 feet. Door area equals 3 times 7 equals 21 square feet. Next, calculate the window opening. Number of window equals 1. Number. Window size is 6 feet by 6 feet. Window area equals 6 times 6 equals 36 square feet. Now calculate the net wall area. The formula is net wall area equals gross wall area minus door area minus window area. So, 480 minus 21 minus 36 equals 423 square feet. This is the actual brickwork area. Part 4. Calculate volume. For brick quantity calculation, we use the standard brick size without mortar is 9 by 4.5 by 2.25 inches. Brick size with mortar after adding mortar thickness 0.5 inches becomes 9.5 times 5 times 2.75 inches. Converting it into feet, which gives 0.792 feet times 0.417 feet times 0.229 feet. So, the volume of one brick equals 0.792 feet times 0.417 feet times 0.229 feet equals 0.0756 cubic feet. Now calculate the volume of wall. The formula is equals net wall area times wall thickness. So 423 times 0.75 equals 317.25 cubic feet. Part 5. Calculate number of bricks. Finally, calculate the number of bricks. The formula is number of bricks equals volume of wall divided by volume of one brick. So, 317.25 divided by 0.0756 equals 4196.42 bricks. We can round this value to approximately 4200 bricks. Add 5% extra bricks for wastage. So, 4200 times 1.05 equals 4410 bricks. Round it to 4450 bricks. Hence, the required number of bricks for a 12 feet by 12 feet room is approximately 4450 bricks, including 5% wastage. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculator, visit www.civilconcept.com.